Shandong Tangong Internation Trade Company Limited is a modern trading company located in the hometown of Mozi, Tangzhou, Shandong Province. Convenient transportation. Our staff are experienced, committed to strict quality inspection and considerate customer service, and can discuss customer needs at any time to ensure customer satisfaction. The main sales products are rotary drilling rig, pile driver, CFA auger drilling rig, drilling tools, and other construction engineering machinery products. The company has established long-term cooperation with Cummins, Rexroth, Kawasaki, and other international parts suppliers. The rotary drilling rigs sold by our company are reliable in quality, beautiful in appearance, practical in structure, and considerate in after-sales service. It is widely used in urban construction, various highways, railways, and other government projects, and won the trust and praise of the majority of users. Our products not only sell well in domestic and small provinces and cities, but also export to various countries and regions, including Australia, the Middle East, South America, Southeast Asia, Russian Federation, and Africa, and more than 30 countries. At the same time, we also undertake OEM and ODM orders. Whether you choose a product from our existing catalog or seek help in engineering application, please feel free to contact our customer service center and inform us of your purchasing requirements. Welcome to visit our factory in China and look forward to establishing long-term cooperation with you.